Welcome to miniatures.de, your military miniatures magazine. In this issue, we are going to take a look at super detailing the Airfix 1:76 scale trailer cargo 1-ton G518 Ben-Hur. The Ben-Hur is an exquisite little vehicle which comes in the same model kit as the Airfix M5 Half-Track. While the hubcaps on this trailer are much too thick to be accurate, they are not the worst problem we see here. The coffin lid of the Airfix Ben-Hur looks nothing like the canvas tilt we would have liked to see on this trailer. Canvas normally sags under its own weight, clearly outlining the hood sticks underneath it. We may never know how the exemplary soldier in charge of this trailer managed to stretch the canvas so perfectly that there isn't the slightest ripple or wrinkle to be seen anywhere. Clearly, the average GI will want nothing to do with this overachiever, even if the motor pool NCOs admire him. We can fix this unrealistic canvas tilt by cutting 4 narrow sections out of it to act as hood sticks. These hood sticks are then glued onto the trailer exactly above the 4 uprights of the side walls. Once the plastic glue has set, a small section of tissue paper is laid over the hood sticks and glued down with diluted PVA wood glue. Watered down wood glue will make the canvas tilt sag initially, only to pull it tight as the water evaporates. It's important to monitor the edges of the canvas tilt as the wood glue dries, making sure that all 4 are flush with the trailer sidewalls. Once the wood glue has fully dried, the stiff canvas tilt may be trimmed just below the top edge of each sidewall. This trimming can be done with a sharp knife or scalpel using a straight edge. Painting and dry brushing the tissue paper will bring out a lot of the fine detail of this realistic looking tilt. Thank you for watching. For more information, you're welcome to visit our website at miniatures.de.